It's a, yeah, it's a, no, it's a, no, the second one you did. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. A lot of you message me and comment asking to get to know me a little more outside of the garage. If you've been watching this since day one, then you know I am pursuing acting in film and television, and the vlogging and working on cars. I just love working on cars, and the vlogging, it helps supplement an income in order for me to pursue my dream. And I've always been working on cars, so picking up a camera wasn't much different. If anything, I got to be in front of a camera, which is what I like. A little bit about my day to share you guys. I know this is different. It's not going to be every video. I actually met with a new representation this morning that I'm really excited for. I'm looking forward to this. So we brought someone new onto the team, and I also met with a headshot photographer with whom I clicked with, and I'm going to get new headshots taken next week. So the ball's rolling. I'm excited. Things are moving. I'm actually going to head on over to the shop right now to install an exhaust system on the S13, a catback, and to also pull the S13 out of RS Speed. For the simple fact that originally we had brought the car there in order to do the build, and now that the build is essentially over with, it's time to bring her out. I wanted to call this video like an end to an era. I mean, I still might, I don't know, but it's really an exhaust video, but I'm also moving out of the shop, so I don't know. I'm gonna head to the shop, get that started, and get everything moving out.
Yo, what up, Ecrew?
They have a couple more days before they have to move. It's sad to see, but on to bigger, better things, right? Here we go. Wow. The lift is gone, the fab area is gone, the kitchen area is gone. So I guess now I'm gonna do the unboxing on the exhaust, get that slapped on, and then take her home. So here's the new exhaust. The thing is, right now, the exhaust that we have on the car is what, a 2.5?
If that.
Something like that. So basically it tapers from the 3-inch to the 2.5, which is kind of choking it up a little bit. This is resonated, muffled, and overall just better airflow. So we're gonna swap this out before we drive the car and get her tuned. Shall we?
Yeah.
Sean's like deathly sick right now.
I'm dying. I'll open the little box. I think I can handle that.
You get the little box.
I'm done. Nice, high quality test pipe.
No, it's not a test pipe. It's a cat.
High flow cat.
High flow cat. I'm rather curious to hear how this sounds on the streets. And with the blow up valve under load. Will you grab that? Alright, let's puzzle this together, shall we?
I don't think it's much of a puzzle. Looks good. It looks like a decent quality.
Yeah, I'm actually very impressed by this right now.
Just said it's not like cheap.
I do kind of like how yours tilt up a little bit.
I do too, it's gangster.
Yeah, right?
We'll just weld that on.
Yeah, we'll just cut those tips off.
Yeah.
Yeah, the welds actually look pretty good on this. Look at that.
You get that like 1920s razor blade from?
This is like some like emo Tumblr razor blade.
That's the ones that like people keep in their mouths and like shank people.
Definitely machine welded, but I'm actually pretty impressed with the quality. So you remember, you guys, how I told you I had issues with the slip flange in the S14? The slip flange came off. Look at this. Yep, exactly what I was expecting to happen. So we're gonna be removing cat back. We have high flow cats now.
Yeah.
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 Yes. Yes, yes. Cool. I'm gonna get to work. In the meantime, Sean's gonna start cleaning out the front office.
Sean's gonna be sick.
Okay. Well, he'll do whatever he wants to do. Before, after. Before, after. And then to the test pipe. High flow cat. I don't know why we keep saying like high flow cat. I mean, there's a GTR engine in this thing.
Well, I still care about the environment.
Not finished, but so far so good. Look at this. So ran into a little bit of an issue. You guys remember how we were using that little slip over 2-bolt flange, I guess you would call it? Well, the down pipe to the mid pipe, there's probably like a 2-inch gap. So ours is gonna have to weld on some more metal to it in order for it to line up with the new exhaust that we bought. It's basically the width of this is the gap we have from the down pipe to the mid pipe. All right, temperature just dropped to like 50 degrees. 50, it is cold. But the exhaust is done. Sean is sitting in the car right now because he's dying sick. I'm gonna go ahead and get this installed. All right, so temporarily this is gonna have to work. It still puts a little stress. It's kind of leaning up against here, but there's no need to point out the flaws. The fact of the matter is it is now no longer choking the engine down to like a 2.5 inch, and now it's 3 going all the way. So, I say let's hear how this puppy sounds. Do you know what chunga is? Chunga, 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 chunga,
No.
chunga, chunga. I wanted to name Cash Money Chunga.
I don't get it.
Should we name the S14 Chunga?
I don't get it.
He doesn't get it.
You said, wait.
He doesn't keep up with the
your
memes.
car?
Wow, what a pretty looking car. Let's hear it with the new exhaust. It's dead. All right, take 2. Yeah, that is quiet. It's like clean. It sounds clean more than anything.
Hold on.
Let's let her warm up for a couple seconds and then we'll do a couple revs. All right, she's warm. Like it almost doesn't sound choked. Like it's not loud, it's not quiet, it's clean. I don't know how else to explain it. You can hear like the turbo is so much better though now. This car's healthy. This engine is healthy. I think this sounds good.
I think it sounds really good.
Yeah, it's like clean.
Clean as
Yeah.
or clean.
I would say it's money.
It's money.
You know, I thought I was really gonna miss the turn up exhaust, but turn up for what? I mean, I kind of like how it just sticks out straight. It just looks cleaner all around. It sounds cleaner, looks cleaner. I don't mind like the ratchet ghetto sleeper looking exhaust, but I mean, also with the taillights, I feel like it's just a cleaner combination. Next up, I'm gonna try and clean all the black soot on the rear bumper. I love it. I love how the exhaust doesn't overpower the engine noises either. It's not like a, oh my god, holy shit. It's more of a, yeah, that's money.
Yeah, it's money.
All right, we're gonna go for a test drive around the block before we take Cash Money home.
hood sits super high right now.
We'll have to fix that later.
It's latched down, but it's like, it looks like it's not.
Yeah, I didn't think it was. We'll have to fix that later. We'll just raise the bolts on the top, space them up a little bit so it sits higher up, closer to the windshield and down.
Yeah.
Let's bring the top down and take her for a spin.
Grab those latches. That's part of the interior. Yep, okay.
Unless we never saw that.
Yeah, let's go for a spin.
Let's go for a spin.
I don't know if the blow-off valve's working or not, but we'll find out pretty soon here.
Yeah, I don't know either. Oh, dropping the top.
How the power steering feel?
Feels good.
Yeah?
I forgot we did that too.
Oh yeah, you just forgot that you can now turn the steering wheel?
Well, it's kind of sideways going straight, but...
Oh, the alignment's way off.
Look at that. Oh!
Oh yeah, it's definitely working.
Yeah, now it's working.
Uh-oh.
Oh, the wheel well fell off.
Already?
I guess we got a little rubbity-dub-dub with the wheel wells. We'll have to figure that one out, but there's a cop up there. Let's try and drive by very conservatively.
Let's try to not drive by at all.
Should I boost to like 10? I don't know what this boost to yet. Should I boost to like 10 and just psh, really loud next to the cop?
Yeah.
Fly by it like a buck something?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking. That didn't sound good. Do you want to get out and look though?
Yeah, I'll look.
Pull over too.
That doesn't
sound like rubbing.
Pop the hood.
How much?
A lot.
A lot?
Pop the hood again.
The temp is okay. Why don't I just kill it? It's overheating. We definitely blew a line. I'm gonna kill it. Can you put a block under the wheel? Alright, we're using a camber stand as a wheel block right now.
It's already done. It was boiling over here. It was boiling out of this.
So I guess we can try and burp it again before we head out. I mean, we could do that right here too. We should have taken the water Nada tried giving us to extinguish a fire.
Well, there's still water in the system. Let's see if the battery's got enough juice to start it. I think we might need a jump.
Okay. Here's to hoping she turns over. There we go. The exhaust sounds great. The blow-off valve works. The car's not overheating, but there must... Temp's fine. Temp's below what the normal is. Temp's good.
Let's get it home. It's just boiling out, which means
there's air in the system. Jinx, you owe me an S13.
Oh. Don't worry about it. That was the block.
That was my camera stand.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
Was it?
Yes. Oh, rip.
Smoke blasting out there, that's not a little scrapey, a little overheating.
A little rub, a little metal pop of sound, a little smoke coming out from under the hood. We're good.
It runs great.
The blow-off valve works at least. Because there's a few leaks, we have a feeling that the system just isn't pressurizing properly, which is causing it to boil over. The temp remained fine. The temp was the same. So I guess today we're not gonna take the car home. Dun dun dun. But today was actually an exhaust video anyways, so the car sounds great. That's the car with the new exhaust, but there needs to be something, I feel like. So I'm just gonna try and do a burnout right now. So let's see how that works, since the car is already warm, and then we'll call it.
Can only do left-handed donuts.
One tire fire!
Yeah, those things are sticky too.
Okay, we had to do one more for the gram. And now it looks like they just both went off. Before I close out this vlog, I did get a package in the mail that I'm gonna open up real quick. The Datsun kid. Yo girl's never gonna run out of gloves now. It means a lot to me, it really does. And now my hands are gonna be safe and clean. I can now pursue my dreams as a hand model. Kidding. That went out the window a long time ago. There's a lot of talk about leaving the shop. I just want to say that there's absolutely no bad blood. It's the fact that we came in there for their expertise to get a build done, and sure, mind you, it took a little longer than we anticipated. However, the car's done, now it's time to get her out of there. So, unfortunately, that didn't happen today due to a little bit of overheating-ish issues and a few more. But she'll get out of there soon. I mean, the burnout was great and all, but like I want to get her sideways. Like, I love S chassis, so I'm like stoked on this. And we'll see. We have yet to race the RB and the LS. I'm gonna close out here. Thank you for watching. If you want to support the page, there's a Patreon linked below. Or cop some merch! Ecrew, we out here with love. Bye!